From any internet-ready device, you can log on to your Office account, even on your eZeePos terminal. So from this, I am on the eZeePos terminal. This is the eZeePos application. I can switch and toggle from the application to the web browser, where you can see I've got my eZeePos Office account showing. This is also showing the dashboard with all of my sales for today. To change a product or add a product, I can click on Maintenance and then Products and Product Programming. This will list all the products. They can be found in any way. You can search using the search in the corner, or if you would prefer, you can change the order of the items by product description. You can change it to product group order, which is what I've chosen. Just by clicking on the headings, it will change them into the relevant orders. If I wish to add another item of food, if it's exactly the same as an existing item, I can opt to copy an existing item. But if it's a new item and done completely differently, I can click New Product in the corner. For this example, we'll do a new product. So product ID, I'll do plus, so it'll generate one automatically. And I could say that this is a bacon sandwich. Then if I tab away, the screen will then pop in the bacon sandwich. The product group that I would like to assign it to will be sandwiches. And then the price that I'd like to sell the sandwich for, I can enter the price and we could say that it's going to be £4. Once I've entered the price, I can then, if I need to, look at tax rate and say that I'd like it to be 20% tax rate. Under the general setting, I can choose whether it's an open price item or not. If it is, then I would hit to require a price entry when I press it. If the item's a condiment, say add bacon or add cheese or something like that to an existing item, then I would flag it as a condiment. Printing, I can specify if I'd like it to print to the kitchen printer or not. In this case, I have two printers set up, a kitchen printer and a drinks printer. We'll say kitchen printer. And I can also state whether I'd like the item to appear on the customer's receipt, which of course I would. Then in links, if I wish to, I can switch on things like the food preparations and extras. So also under memo lists, I've got other things like, in this case, because it's a sandwich, I've got bread type choices, so I can switch that on. And then all I need to do is save it. And the item will now be added to the system, probably right at the bottom now, I look. Bacon sandwich on 31 here. If I want to change prices I can either do by going into the product by hitting the pen, or from the main screen here where you see all the prices listed. If I wish to change the price of an item, I can just click on the price and change it. So in the case of my bacon sandwich, if I've decided it shouldn't be £4 but it should be £4.25, I can click on the price field and then change it from 4 to 4.25. I can then go through changing all the prices. Once I've completed the changes, I hit the little save icon here, and that will save my changes. From there, I can go back to the terminal, and if I hit the three dots in the corner, and choose Enter Back Office, I can then refresh the terminal data, which will drag the information from the cloud. And now if I sign on, you will find that I now have a bacon sandwich that I put on with the options of white and brown that I chose and the price that I set of $4.25.
You'll find more information on eZeePos systems on our website. Please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have.